The next update, as documented, is the snapshot retention policy. So this will now be part of daily maintenance, which will automatically delete snapshots older than 60 days by default, with the goal of keeping accumulation of large snapshots less than 150 gigabytes. So again, by default, the snapshots created or uploaded externally to an environment will be stored for a period not exceeding 60 days, after which they will be automatically removed. The daily maintenance process will be automatically removing these oldest first, again, preventing the total size from exceeding 150 gigabytes, which will adversely, potentially at least, impact an environment and just, again, keep cloud storage down. So that is a ton of snapshots, but we would encourage anyone that has very elementary or important components of their application backed up solely in the cloud to come up with a strategy to move those to a local shared driver machine or something like that to prepare for this.